Hi, I'm Craig O'Neal with FLIR. Today I want to show you two important features offered in the latest T-Series thermal imaging cameras. They are laser-assisted autofocus and the laser distance meter. The laser's main function is to provide distance information. This improves focus and makes it sharper. A sharp focus will mean correct temperature measurement. The laser distance information can be used for safety as well because it shows you how far you are from the target. The camera displays the distance measurement on screen so you can ensure you're the correct distance from the target. The laser also functions as a laser pointer so you can verify exactly where your fault is. Here's how it works. First, you need to ensure that the laser and laser distance measurement are both enabled. To do this, go into Settings, choose Device Settings, and Lamp and Laser. There you can enable the lamp and the laser in your camera. Now you'll back out of Settings and Device Settings, and you'll choose Save, Options, and Storage. The measure distance should be turned on. To activate the laser at any time, press the laser button under the lens. It emits a beam that bounces back to the receiver of the camera. The distance information will appear on the screen. You don't have to press the laser button to take advantage of the laser-assisted focus. Just activate the continuous focus from the soft AF/C button below the screen. The camera will continually focus with the help of the laser. To find out more about the latest features of the FLIR T-Series thermal imaging cameras, visit FLIR.com.